a family TV. Alright, so I got this kit over the holidays online. Javi has not seen this kit, and just this evening he requested if we could make slime. So I decided I'd show him this as a surprise. So let's look what's in it. What is it? Let's open it. Ta-da! It's a slime kit filled with different slimes and foams and beads, foam beads, glitter and stuff, sprinkles, whatever these are. And so we can make our own slime, design our own slime. Look! 1, 2. This is a lot of slime.
This is cool surprise.
It's the DIY slime kit. We'll put the link on the description box from Lazada.
Best day ever. Thank you,
So,
Mom.
you're welcome. Oh, look at that glitter.
Glitter.
And all these sprinkles and foam balls and all that. Ooh, and some small cups.
Can I get a bowl?
Toy cups, bowls where you can put your slime, and molds, sea creatures.
Sea creature.
And look at that, all those slimes. See, there's so much.
This is the best.
And some kind of putty. I think this is putty. And then there. Go guys, enjoy.
guys.
Fruits, different fruits. This one is flowers. This one is different animals. So cute. Ladybug, bunny. This is different colors of butterflies. And these ones are desserts. Look, there are cupcakes, cake swirls, other popsicles. So cute. So I want to use the purple one. I'm gonna add some flowers.
Busted.
Ooh.
Green glitter. Or lime.
try to use the mold. I'm gonna get the starfish. Let's see. Ooh, that was satisfying.
What?
Look at that. It's so smooth. Ooh. Did you like our surprise for you? Was it fun? There's so many things to do. And for sure, we'll be playing this for the next few days. Hope you enjoyed our video. Unleash your creativity.
Bye, guys.
Bye.